today's problem that needs a solution are these horseshoe door latches. We love these latches, they work great, but they're really meant to be used on a sliding door. In order to hold the door open, you just slide it open, versus these on a Dutch door. Once you open this door, how do you keep the door open? If you swing it all the way open against the side of the stall, there's nothing to latch onto. So today we need to figure out a way to actually make this door latch open with these nice horseshoe latches. So after taking all the measurements, this is what I came up with. And that's the completed part. Just gotta go print it now. Here's the part, ready to get it prepared for the printer. This will show how it actually is going to print. Shows it building the various layers. Till you have a finished part. Closer. And the part is complete. So here's the part all printed. This feature here is what will actually be attaching to the rod of the latch. So when the latch is open, this section here, when the door is swung open, it'll just attach to that section right there, like this. So you can see that. And that's pretty much it. When the door opens, it'll attach onto that, and we just got to mount that to the side of the stall. So here's what we came up with. It's actually on the side of the stall. The door itself comes up to it, and the latch is in place. Now the door will actually stay open, then when you need to open it, just pull it open. So this device is latching on to the surface right here. It's nice and clean. Stays out of the way. Can't get caught on anything. And it works both top and bottom on both doors. Problem solved.